In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the rectangle tool in Tradingview. Whether you're new to charting or just looking to enhance your technical analysis skills, this tool can be really handy for marking key zones, such as support and resistance areas. Let's get started. First, open up your chart in Tradingview. If you're using this platform for the first time, it might seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll walk through it step by step. Look to the left side of your chart. This panel is your toolbox where you can find all sorts of tools to help analyze your data. Locate the rectangle icon. You might need to hover over other tools to reveal it, as it's typically grouped with other shape tools. Clicking on the rectangle tool will activate it, and your cursor will change to indicate it's ready for drawing. Next, move your cursor to the point on the chart where you'd like your rectangle to begin. This point will be one corner of your rectangle. When you've decided where you want to start drawing, click and hold down your mouse button. Drag your mouse to extend the rectangle. You'll notice the shape forming as you drag across the chart. Release the mouse button when you're satisfied with the shape and size of your rectangle. Once your rectangle is in place, it's time to customize it to suit your needs. Customization options are available to make your charts clearly communicate the information you want. You can choose any color you prefer by clicking on the color option, making your rectangle stand out or blend in as you wish. Additionally, you can adjust the opacity to make your rectangle more or less visible, depending on your preference and the data displayed. If you want to add context to your rectangle, perhaps to annotate a particular trend or observation, Tradingview allows you to insert text within the rectangle. This can be incredibly useful for keeping detailed notes directly on your chart. You have various text formatting options available to style your notes exactly as needed. Furthermore, you can adjust the line thickness, a feature represented by the 2px box, to make your rectangle borders bold or subtle. For further customization, explore the Settings, Style, and Coordinates options. The Style menu lets you adjust how the rectangle appears over different time frames and on different chart types. The Coordinates section is crucial if you need precise placements to align with specific price points on the chart. The Visibility menu can help you streamline your chart by showing or hiding the rectangle in different scenarios, depending on your focus. Should you need to remove the rectangle, a simple right click provides the option to delete it. Additionally, if your rectangle isn't in the spot you wanted, just move your mouse over it until you see a hand icon, which allows you to drag and reposition it. Finally, take a moment to review your chart, ensuring that your rectangle effectively highlights the areas of interest and your notes are clear and easy to understand. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using the rectangle tool in Tradingview. Happy charting!